Okay, I'm gonna cut this off here, right about there, 8 inches. This is 8 inches across this way, so I'm gonna make it 8 inches that way and make a couple of bowls out of that. Well, I didn't see this cut here, so that means I'm only gonna get one bowl out of here, because I gotta, or we'll see. I'll cut it across there. But I'll do that on the bandsaw inside. Okay, here I go. I'm going to cut this in half, and I got this split that's right here that hopefully is pretty lined up with the blade, and that way I don't waste too much wood. But here we go. Okay, I got this piece of rosewood. I was looking at the far side when I originally started cutting it. Then I realized there's this diagonal cut that I could see it here and I could see it here, and I thought, oh well, I'll just cut through and use the 1/2. Well, when I got cut through, I still have a hole because somebody had plunge cut, and so it's in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this piece anyway, and I'm gonna see what the result is with this here. And I might, I'm in the pith is right here, so it's close to the top. So I'm going to try it, but we'll see what happens. I may have to live with a little dip right here unless I make, because I don't know where the edge of the bowl is going to be. Most likely this groove is going to be in the bowl, and I'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm going to put this piece of rosewood on here. I've got this woodworm screw hole and a flat surface for the jaws to touch. So it should work out pretty good. Okay, I've finished the outside and the bottom to the point of still being attached. I might have to do some super glue and a couple of these cracks, like these right here. Maybe. We'll see. Well, my intent now is to take out the center, and I'm going to get a hole that's close to here and here without breaking out. I'm hoping to leave about 1/4 of an inch or so there. Then I have to decide how much of this is revealed. I'm probably going to use, I don't know, because this is going to be a pretty deep hole. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to do super glue and coffee grounds, maybe, but there's a lot of volume there if I have to fill all of it. So I'm going to
do the biggest circle I fit in here, and hopefully most of this goes away, but I think the two ends might stay, even if I get the middle out. And that's from a plunge cut on the saw that I didn't notice when I was first sawing this piece out. Now, obviously, I noticed it before I got this far, but we'll see what it takes to get looking good. That came loose. I was not expecting that, so I almost had a problem with it. I don't know if you could see it, but right here, there's dark heartwood and then the lighter wood. And as I machine deeper, the heartwood is going to disappear. I mean, it'll stay on the walls, but it might disappear off the floor. And I'm trying to decide whether I stop going deeper so that I can have some dark wood on the floor. And so I may stop. Obviously I got to smooth it out because this has got a shape to it that probably when I smooth that, it's going to take away from the dark wood, but we'll see. In any case, I've got to be careful not to go too much deeper.
Okay, I've drilled this 2 inches to fit my wooden nickel, which I set over there, and I've got to sand this now a little bit to get rid of some of these features. Now, the lines there, some of those won't go, but I'll have it smooth, feel pretty smooth. Well, I got my latest bowl here. I got the wood from a friend of mine I've known forever, and they had it for 6 years as a cut piece of lumber or a log. And it's a rosewood. It's nice, and the piece is very large. This is the smallest thing I'm going to be able to make from it, other than if I just cut a little chunk off the corner or something. When I turned this bowl, my intent was to make the bowl deeper, but if I did that, I would lose the dark wood there, because it's the outside is 1.5 inches, 2 inches thick, and so or even maybe 3 inches thick. So I wanted to leave the inside have dark wood, so it's not as deep as it would be. So the bottom is over 1 inch thick, but the sides where this comes in is relatively thin. That's maybe 1/2 inch, and this is a little bit thicker on the right. But I didn't want to make this limp too thin here. The wood is pretty hard, but rosewood is really nice to finish. And I think that's about it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.